cold open. Ever wondered why people say bless you after you sneeze? We're diving headfirst into this curious custom. Back in the day, sneezing was seen as a sign of impending doom. In the Dark Ages, a sneeze was often the first sign of the plague. So a bless you was more like a last rites ritual. In other cultures, it's believed that sneezing expels evil spirits. Saying bless you prevents these spirits from re-entering the body. And then there's the heart-stopping myth. Some say your heart skips a beat when you sneeze, so a bless you is like a mini defibrillator. In reality, it's all folklore and your heart keeps beating just fine. But it's a fun tradition, isn't it? Next time you sneeze, know that every bless you is steeped in centuries of history and superstition. End of the loop.